You didn't just survive, you were rebuilt from pieces nobody else could see. Means if you've gone through too much, you possess 5 kinds of strength most people will never understand. Banned 2 years ago, I met someone who smiled constantly, helped everyone, never complained. Then they told me their story. Childhood trauma, abusive relationship, loss that would destroy most people. That smile wasn't ignorance, it was earned. Through fire most can't imagine, that's post-traumatic growth. Science proves suffering doesn't just break you. It rebuilds you stronger than before. Strength 1, you see what others miss. Most people live on surface. But you? Read rooms instantly. Spot lies before they finish. Feel danger before anything happens. Research shows trauma survivors develop heightened emotional awareness, brain rewired to detect threats. That hypervigilance everyone calls anxiety? Superpower most don't have. You see through people, situations, fake smiles, not cynicism. Survival taught you to pay attention. Dance strength 2. You understand pain others can't comprehend. Someone complains about minor inconvenience. You stay quiet, not judging. You know what real pain looks like. Studies show survivors develop deeper empathy for actual suffering. Don't minimize pain. Understand the spectrum. Save energy for people actually drowning, not those in puddles. Most can't tell difference between discomfort and destruction. You can. That's strength. Strength 3. You rebuilt yourself alone. Nobody saved you, no night, no rescue. You dragged yourself out of hell one breath at a time. Research confirms survivors who overcome without external rescue develop exceptional self-reliance. Not closed off, self-sufficient. Big difference. Blamed strength 4. Small joys hit different now. Coffee tastes better. Sunlight feels warmer. Quiet moments feel sacred. Because you know darkness, post-traumatic growth research calls this heightened appreciation. Survivors report deeper gratitude for ordinary moments. Not toxic positivity, genuine awareness of how precious normal is. Don't take things for granted. Because you lived through times when you had nothing, now anything feels like everything. Strength 5. You know who you are. Trauma strips away everything fake, every mask, every performance. What's left? Real you. Unbreakable core. Research shows survivors develop stronger identity, know their values, limits. Worth. Not from self-help book. From fighting for survival and winning, don't question yourself like others. Not arrogance, certainty. Hard-earned from being tested and not breaking. Here's what nobody tells you. Society wants you to bounce back. Return to who you were, but you can't. That person doesn't exist. That's not loss. That's transformation. Post-traumatic growth isn't returning to normal. It's becoming someone new, stronger. Someone who understands darkness but chooses light anyway. You're not damaged. You're forged. Anyone who's never been through fire can't understand the strength that creates. Tom Diaz, if you've gone through too much, you don't need validation from people who faced nothing. You know what you survived, what it cost, what it built. Welcome to warriors nobody sees. Don't wear scars outside. But everyone who's been through real hell recognizes you instantly. You didn't just survive. You evolved. That's the rarest strength of all.